Hey everyone, welcome to Push Button Traffic. My name is Ron, and along with the Push Button Traffic team, I would like to introduce you to this simple, one-click software that rapidly gets you thousands of free visitors to any website today. This traffic converts like crazy for affiliate offers, CPA offers, list building, e-commerce, and more. Yeah, that's right. With just the push of a button, you too could be getting thousands of free visitors to any website today. So, what is push button traffic? Well, push button traffic is a simple push button traffic software that allows you to make passive income online. It's simple, ethical, and allows you to send fast, high-quality traffic in just a few short steps. Not to mention, it gets you 100% free traffic totally hands-free. Yes, meaning that you don't need a product of your own or even an email list. I mean, heck, you don't even need any experience or tech skills. No paid traffic because it's 100% free. There's no content creation or writing of any kind. All you need is push button traffic, and you too can finally start getting traffic that actually converts and makes you money while you sleep. Now listen up. I want to tell you about the power of push button traffic and how it's able to help even newbies get results. Yeah, that's right. Push button traffic is unlike anything you've ever seen, and it can get you both traffic and profits easily in just a click of a mouse. You can be up and running and be getting traffic as soon as today because push button traffic is brain dead simple, and it's 100% newbie friendly too. You're literally 3 simple steps away from the power of push button traffic. All you have to do is click submit, enter a keyword, and that's any keyword you want, and push button traffic does everything else for you so that you can get both traffic and profits all done for you. And that's all there is to it. Anyone can do this, even people perhaps like you, with absolutely no experience, and you too can start profiting and getting traffic as soon as today, in just a few short minutes, to literally push a button and get traffic. Seriously. Imagine getting traffic and commissions within the next 24 hours. How would that make you feel? Well, with push button traffic you can. People like you are already doing it. Just take a look down below. Remember, it takes only 3 simple steps in just a few short minutes, and you could start seeing both traffic and profits as soon as today. And the best part? You can get started right now. The doors to push button traffic are only open for a strictly limited time, and then the doors are closing in on this heavily discounted launch price. So you need to take advantage of this opportunity and the discount right now. So go ahead, click on the button below for instant access, and let's get you results starting today.